How much money are your feet worth? No, really. There's a way to find out in seconds, and it can be way much more money than you think. Today, I'm going to be telling you about a tool that'll instantly tell you how much money you can be making with just pictures of your feet. Whether you're curious about selling feet photos or maybe you already have yourself a profile but you have zero idea about whether or not you are charging the right amount, today's quick guide will definitely help you. We're talking about FeetFinder's valuation tool, and this is designed to give you a personalized estimate based on just your own photos. And one of the hardest parts about starting is knowing how much money exactly to charge. If you're charging too much money, you may scare away potential buyers, but if you're charging too little money, then you're leaving money right out there on the table. So that is where FeetFinder's valuation tool comes in handy. So it's based on millions of data points from real sales, and this allows you to start selling with confidence. And here is how it works. It is so simple. All you have to do is upload a photo of your feet to FeetFinder, and their expert analysis, powered by a unique valuation system, will give you an instant earnings estimate. So think of it kind of like a free appraisal that gives you a starting price range before you even start selling. And just a quick reminder, you must be 18 or older to submit your photos. And once you have your valuation and you plan out your pricing strategy, this will allow you to start selling photos faster. So how much people are really earning from selling their feet photos? In a previous video that we have linked down below in the description and will be on the end screen, we share with you that casual sellers are making $200 to $500 a week, while more dedicated sellers are making $500 to $3,000 weekly. So beginning sellers start around $5 to $10 a photo, and then as you build up reviews and demand, that can jump from $10 to $30 a photo, with custom requests going from $20 to $50 a request. So with this valuation tool, you'll know exactly where to start from day one, and that right there can make all the difference in your selling journey. So be sure to try it today on FeetFinder.com, see what your feet are worth, and start pricing like a pro. And if you do use a valuation tool, be sure to leave it in the comments below what your valuation was, because I am definitely, of course, curious. And also, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with a friend who needs to see it, and be sure to subscribe so you can find out all the smart ways to boost your online income.